There's a couple of ways you can do this. So the first is using formulas. So if we grab our header row and then do an equals sort unique and grab our first 3 columns, then we get a list of the SKUs names and sales refund without duplicates. And then we can do an equals SUMIFS, select the column we want to add, so quantity, then the filter columns, so SKU is equal to that, and sale refund is equal to there, and then drag that down. And then all we need to do for amount is copy that same formula and change the first column from D to E. There we go, we have the amounts as well. The other way of doing that is by doing a pivot table. So if you select all the data, go to Insert Pivot Table, and then select SKU, name, sale refund as rows, quantity and amount as values. And then to make it look more like a table, come up to Design, hit Report Layout, go to Tabular Form, don't show subtotals, and repeat all item labels. And there you have it, the table as well. So there's the 2 different ways you can filter those tables.